Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming ownership and readiness. Make sure your platform account has the game and cloud sync is active. Once done, back up local saves to avoid data loss. Next, opt into the beta using the store's beta opt-in option or claim a code from the game's Discord/newsletter. You do this now so you can access early builds. It prevents conflicts later. After opting in, make sure auto updates are enabled so the beta downloads automatically when available. You'll now download and configure the beta build. First, accept any experimental EULA and warnings so the store lets the installation proceed. Then install the beta, use a separate folder or create a duplicate profile to keep stable saves untouched. Once installed, enable logging or the developer console if the build exposes those options. This makes bug reports actionable. Also, set graphics and control presets to match your hardware so you can reproduce issues consistently when providing feedback. You finish by systematically testing features and reporting issues. Run focus test scenarios, note exact repro steps, and capture logs or video. Timestamps help developers. Once you've documented problems, submit them through the official bug form or pinned Discord channel and attach logs. Explain expected versus actual behavior. If the beta corrupts progress or is unstable, make sure to revert to the stable branch or restore your backup saves. Troubleshooting tip: if crashes persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.